Roomba features a patented 3-stage cleaning system. First, the edge cleaning side brush grabs dirt, hair and debris along walls and in corners. Next, 2 counter-rotating brushes scoop up dirt, hair and debris. Finally, a powerful vacuum pulls it all into the bin and the filter traps dust and other fine particles. Roomba effectively cleans many types of floor surfaces, including carpet, hardwood, tile, vinyl and linoleum. The robot automatically adjusts its cleaning head as it transitions from one surface to the next. Roomba also uses a variety of sensors to detect and automatically avoid stairs and other drop-offs. Roomba doesn't get stuck on cords, carpet fringe or tassels.